In this video, we'll show you how you can print text messages on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the easiest way to do this is to simply first capture a screenshot, tap on the share icon, and then select the print option from here. So this is the easiest and the quickest way to print text messages on your Samsung phone. Now, if you have a long chat and if you want to print out the entire chat, this method is not practical. So for this, you'll need to head to the Play Store and download this app called SMS Backup and Restore. It's a free app, so there is no harm in downloading it. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Now here tap on this Get Started button and allow all the necessary permissions to the app. Now tap on Set up a backup and here turn off this call logs option. Next tap on Advanced option and here you will see the option to include attachments and media files in your text messages printout. If you want to keep that, keep this toggle on. For this example, I'm just going to turn it off. Now tap on Next. Now turn on the toggle next to your phone and tap on OK. Now tap on Next again and then select Yes. Now tap on Settings and then allow the necessary permission to the app. Now turn off this recurring backups since we only want to do it once. Now finally tap on Backup Now. Now simply wait for the backup to complete. Once you see this backup complete message, simply tap on View Details. Now tap on your backup data. In this file, you will see a list of all your chats. You first need to scroll through this list and find the conversation that you want to print. Once you find it, simply tap the three dot icon next to it and then select Print Conversation. Now here select your preferred option and then tap on Export. By default, this app will export your file as a PDF. If you have a printer connected to your phone, you can tap this drop down menu and then select all printers from here and then directly print it from here. If you want to print it from a PC instead, first save the file as a PDF. Now open the My Files app and then locate your PDF that you have just exported. So this is how your messages will appear with exact date and timestamps. Now you can also print the PDF from here if you have a printer connected. If you don't have one, you can share the PDF file to your PC and then print the file from there.